Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the fascinating world of Cardano, one of the shining stars in the cryptocurrency galaxy. If you're wondering what makes Cardano tick, how it's performing in the market, and where its price might be headed, you're in for a treat. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll take a friendly, step-by-step journey through Cardano's story, crunch the latest market numbers, and explore potential future trends based on historical data and the current crypto landscape. Oh, and don't worry, I'll sprinkle in a couple of crypto jokes to keep things lively, because who said blockchain has to be all serious? So, grab a snack, maybe some popcorn, and let's get started. Let's dive into the numbers and see where Cardano stands today. Based on the latest market data, as of May 28, 2025, Cardano's ADA is currently trading at around 0.7592 per token, down a modest 1.44% over the past 24 hours. Don't worry though, a little dip is just the market taking a quick nap, not selling its ADA for a bag of magic beans. Cardano boasts a market capitalization of $26.82 billion, making it the 9th largest cryptocurrency, which is like being in the top 10 of a global crypto popularity contest. The 24-hour trading volume is a healthy $645.99 million, showing there's plenty of action in the market. This volume is about 2.4% of its market cap, which tells us traders are actively buying and selling ADA. The fully diluted valuation, if all 45 billion ADA token were in circulation, is $34.16 billion, with 35.33 billion ADA currently circulating, out of a total supply of 44.99 billion. To give you a sense of how ADA is trading, let's peek at some exchange data. Across major platforms, ADA is holding steady at around 0.7592 to 0.7597 against USDT, with a slight premium of 0.7676 against a Korean won. Guess the K-pop fans are giving ADA some extra love. Liquidity is strong, with one exchange showing $3.32 million in buy orders and $1.67 million in sell orders within a 2% price range, which is like having a solid crypto safety net. The highest 24-hour volume on a single exchange pair is $63.95 million, making up 9.9% of ADA's total volume, so trading is spread out but has some heavy hitters. This kind of liquidity and activity suggests Cardano is a hot topic among traders, and it's not just sitting there like a forgotten wallet in the blockchain attic. Let's take a step back and look at Cardano's historical performance to put today's numbers in perspective. Over the past 60 days, ADA has surged by an impressive 62.4%, which is like your crypto portfolio hitting the gym and bulking up. Over shorter periods, it's up 7.2% in the last 30 days, 0.9% in the past week, and 0.1% over the last day. Though that 1.44% daily dip reminds us the market can be as unpredictable as a crypto meme coin named after a dog. Historically, Cardano had a blockbuster moment in 2021 during the crypto bull run, hitting an all-time high of around $3.10 when the Alonzo upgrade brought smart contracts to the network. It was like Cardano threw a party, and everyone in the crypto world showed up. But then came the 2022 crypto winter, where ADA dropped to a low of about $0.24, proving that even the best projects can hit an icy patch. The climb back to 0.7592 shows a strong recovery, but it's still got some ground to cover to reach its former glory. To make this clear, let's bring up a chart showing ADA's price journey. On screen, a line chart appears tracing ADA's price from 2021 to May 2025, highlighting the $3.10 peak, $0.24 low, and recent 62.4% growth. As you can see, the past 2 months have been a steady climb, even with a little wobble in the last day. It's like Cardano's been hiking up a mountain, taking a quick breather before the next push. Now, let's talk about the current market situation to understand what's driving ADA's price. The crypto market in May 2025 is like a roller coaster at a theme park. Some thrilling highs, some stomach-churning dips, and everyone's wondering what's around the next corner. Bitcoin is hovering around $60,000, and Ethereum is chilling near $2,500, both consolidating after a strong first quarter. Altcoins like Cardano often take cues from these big players, but ADA's 62.4% growth over 60 days shows it's got some serious star power of its own. This momentum is likely fueled by Cardano's ongoing developments, like the Hydra Layer 2 solution for scalability, which is like giving the blockchain a turbo boost. Plus, Cardano's DeFi and NFT ecosystems are growing, attracting developers and investors who see it as more than just a crypto, it's a platform for real-world solutions. It's like Cardano's building a city in the blockchain world, and everyone wants a plot of land. Let's add some technical analysis to the mix, because who doesn't love a good chart to spice things up? Recent posts from analysts on platforms like X suggest ADA is testing a key support cluster around 0.75, with support from a trend line and range lows. One analyst says a bounce from here could send ADA towards $0.84, which would be like the price catching a nice crypto wave. Another points out that ADA is consolidating in a symmetrical triangle pattern, just below the 200-day exponential moving average, which is like the crypto equivalent of a tightrope walk. A MACD crossover is forming, hinting at building momentum, kind of like Cardano warming up before a big sprint. If ADA breaks out of this triangle, analysts see it hitting 0.82 or higher. But if it falls below support, it's like missing a step on the blockchain ladder. On screen, a chart showing the symmetrical triangle, with ADA at $0.7592, support at $0.75, and resistance at $0.82. Without a crystal ball, of course, because those are still on backorder in the crypto world. First, the bullish case looks strong. Cardano's fundamentals are rock solid, with its focus on scalability, sustainability, and real-world applications. It's like the blockchain equivalent of a Swiss Army knife, ready for anything. The 62.4% growth over 60 days shows investors are excited, and upcoming upgrades like the Chang hard fork, which will improve governance, could draw even more attention. If the broader crypto market turns bullish in late 2025, perhaps due to macroeconomic shifts like interest rate cuts, Cardano could catch a tailwind. Imagine ADA hitting $1. That'd be like your crypto wallet throwing a party and inviting all the bulls. But let's not get too carried away. There are risks to consider. The recent 1.44% daily dip and the current consolidation suggest some short-term uncertainty, like the market deciding whether to hold on or take a coffee break. If ADA fails to hold the 0.75 support, it could slip to 0.7 or lower, especially if Bitcoin takes a tumble. Regulatory changes in the crypto space could also throw a wrench in the works, and Cardano's success hinges on delivering on its ambitious roadmap. As always, crypto is a wild ride, so do your own research and never bet more than you can afford to lose. Unless you're betting on pizza, because that's always a safe investment. To wrap things up, Cardano is a powerhouse in the crypto world with a bright future. Its current price of $0.7592, backed by a $26.82 billion market cap and solid trading activity, shows it's a serious contender. The technical setup hints at a potential breakout to 0.82 or higher if support holds, and the 62.4% growth over 60 days is a testament to its momentum. Looking forward, Cardano's focus on innovation and adoption could drive its price toward $1 or more in a bullish market. But keep an eye on support levels and market trends to stay ahead of any dips. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes in the crypto pool, Cardano is definitely worth watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this deep dive into Cardano, with a few laughs along the way, has been both fun and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next crypto adventure. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about Cardano's future, or share your favorite crypto joke. Until next time, stay curious, keep smiling, and happy investing.